Yeah. What's good, guys? What's good? It's your boy Ant on the go-go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How you guys doing today? You already know I'm chilling right now. Playing Pokemon Black and White 2. Let me know, have you guys played this? Oh, level 2. Oh, okay. Look at this. Oh, Perlon. Yeah, guys. But, I'm just playing Pokemon. Let me know if you play Pokemon Black and White 2. Have you ever played it? You know what I'm saying? I'm always big into Pokemon. I love Pokemon. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into the cards. Let's get into the cards right now. Look at my Pokemon. No badges. You know what I'm saying? Choice Band. Hypno. Reshiram. See, guys, no badges. Reshiram. Hypno. Shiny. Reshiram. Yeah, guys. But yeah, let's jump into the cards, though. Let's jump into the cards. It's your boy. So you already know. I just had to show you that clip, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm really into Pokemon. I've been collecting Pokemon for many years now, guys. Many years. I love the card game. I love the games. I love everything about Pokemon, you know what I'm saying? If it wasn't for Pokemon, I wouldn't have a DS, honestly. This is like my favorite game, you know what I'm saying? But enough about that. I want to get into the Pokemon early release. So I cop, just going to show you. I cop one of these bad boys. So I got the poster collection, black and white, Bolt, Flare, you know what I'm saying? And it's really fire. This is a really great poster collection. Look at this, guys. It comes with Tepig, Oshawott, and Snivy. Then it comes with two packs, you know what I'm saying? 2 packs. No, 4 packs. And I guess it comes with a poster. Yeah, it comes with the poster. You know what I'm saying? So look, it comes with 3 holo cards, 1 double-sided poster, 2 TCG, black bolt and white bolt, and a code for the TCG Live. It's amazing, you know what I'm saying? What you get is amazing out of this, really amazing item, Let me know, did you get your hands on it yet? I'm really lucky to get it. I got it today. And yeah, and the other item I got was this one. This one I got super lucky. Black Bolt is super fire. ETB, you know what I'm saying? It got Rekram. Is it Reshiram? No, it's not Reshiram. It's Rekram. Zekrom in there. You know what I'm saying? Now look at this. Fire. Look at this. Oh, it comes with Thundurus. Oh, that's fire. Yeah, I love Pokemon, man. This is an amazing box. Let me know, did you get your hands on the ETB? So, honestly, I'm going to be honest, guys. Right? What I want to do is, I want to switch it up on it. You know what I'm saying? I want to switch it up. I want to open this, but in the next video, I want to do a giveaway. You know what I'm saying? I want to do a giveaway. Instead of me opening this, I want you guys to open it. So instead, I won't open this. I want to do a free giveaway. These 2 will be a giveaway. You know what I'm saying? I want to do a giveaway. And you guys send me a video of you guys opening this. But here's a catch, though. Here's a catch. I will do a giveaway once when I get to 1,000 subscribers. I will do the giveaway and I will open this. You know what I'm saying? I will open it. I will send it to you guys and you will open it, But I'm going to be getting more products. But these 2 right here, I will do a giveaway for you guys. All you have to do is comment under the post, comment fire emoji, subscribe, and say done. Just put done, fire emoji, and then subscribe. And when you subscribe, then I'm going to get everybody, and then I'm going to do the raffle. And then I can ship it out. I live in New York City. If you're in New York City and you hit, I'll meet up with you. You know what I'm saying? I'll ship it. Either way. But I know that look at this item though. I will be ripping this instead. I will save this for the giveaway. These two will be for the giveaway. Look at my black and white. Should I do? Let me know. Should I do the games for the giveaway? Let me know in the comments below. Should I do the games or should I do the cards? But honestly, I want to do the cards, so I'm just sticking to the cards. I'm gonna do the cards as a giveaway. These two, you got the black bolt, and then you got the black and white bolt poster. But what I will do I would open this, and I would see what I would get out of prismatic. So let's see what I would get. Let's see right now. Let's see what I would get out of this. Let's see right now. Here we go. So, let's take this off. Let's see what I get. Normally, I don't open packs. I'm going to be honest with you guys. But I'd rather you guys open it than me. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you love stuff like this. And I would literally, I will do a giveaway once when I get to 1,000 subs. Okay, guys? 1,000. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Whoa, I never got this. Wow, blue, wow. It's kind of like, look at this Eevee with this, it got the stars around it. Wow, really amazing, guys. Amazing, look at this. Look at this Glaceon. Wow. Really fire. Glaceon. Fresh Snow Pokemon. Amazing. Look at the art. So I got Glaceon. Now I have to complete the collection now. So I need Vaporeon, Flareon. I need all of them. Amazing. So, prismatic. Here we come. Now, usually, I open packs. You know what I'm saying? But, I really want to give it away, I'm going to start doing a lot of giveaways for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? For all my subscribers, I will be doing a lot of giveaways, so stay tuned. If you love content like this, let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, okay? So let's see what happens. Let's see what I will get. Let's see what would I get out of this prismatic, Let's see, prismatic. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now, prismatic. Let's see. And whatever pack whatever cards I pull out of this, let's see. I'll give it away. You know what I'm saying? I just want to give back because, I love giving back to people, I just love it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not, Let's see. Hippowdon. Pinsir. Lavatar. Dusclops. Trash. Trash. Halucha, trash. Area Zero, trash. Professor, trash. Glaceon, I like this Glaceon. I'm keeping. I think this is dirt. Let me know, guys. Is this dirt? I think it's dirt. Brick. You see, this is why I don't like gambling, guys. This is why gambling is not for kids, especially gambling. Do not gamble, kids. If you're watching this right now, please don't gamble, because it's cool, but just know what you're doing, guys. Just know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? You can literally waste money like this. You know what I'm saying? But I want to do it for the live. You know what I'm saying? I want to do it for the live. I don't get no sponsor or nothing, so this is all my money that I'm. You know what I'm saying? But I would literally, I want to do something fun. So we're gonna do a whole lot of fun stuff on this channel, okay, guys? As you know, I'm a sneaker collector. I do games, I do etc. Check my video out. Just check it out. Check it out. Check me out. Check me out. Okay, guys. So this is the last pack. Please let it be something. Damn, I've been bricking. This is why prismatic is like so annoying, you know what I'm saying? Really, opening these cards is pretty annoying, you know what I'm saying? Brick. Wait. Is this a brick, guys? You let me know. Is this a brick? Should I throw it so I rip it? I like Pupitar, so I'm gonna keep it to the side. I like Pupitar. I like this Pokemon. Groudon. bricked again. Ah! Okay, guys. Well, there you go. So, with that result, oh my god. So, guys, like I'm saying, this can be for you. You can open it. I will do a giveaway. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Okay, guys? Like, comment, subscribe. When you subscribe, put a fire emoji and say done. And in the next video, I would do, I would put all the instructions for what you guys, So don't worry. And this will be free for you. Free for you guys. But yeah, thank you for enjoying, thank you for watching my video. Thank you, everybody. I see you in the next one. As you see, I brick. I just hate opening packs is like, oh my god. For me, I dislike it. I ain't gonna lie. I love Pokemon, but I be bricking a lot, guys. Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Did you pull out any heat out of Prismatic? Let me know. Did you put out any heat? As you see, I bricked. I could have kept the seal and just, you know what I'm saying, and sold it, but I wanted to do it for the channel. I wanted to do it for the channel and show you guys that, yeah. And you know what? I give this whole pack free. Free. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Later.